Hello from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Hyundai i20 here on a 2014 plate. Just going to show you the location for EOBD and the fuse itself. Now I've just got a management light on this. I'm going to reset that, but to show you where it is exactly, you've already got fuse written right here. So it means fuse is somewhere around in that area, but it's pointing that way. I don't know why it's pointing that way, but the EOBD, which is right here as well. So what you do, if you pull and then pull and then pull again, as you can see on the inside, that's the fuse location. As well, you've got the fuse puller right there, and then you've got the diagrams and what fuses are where as well. That's right there as well. So if you want to know where the cigarette lighter fuse is, so you just go into the aux one. Where would that be? Right there, that's the cigarette lighter. And then you've got other stuff like Windows, ABS and everything as well. For the EOBD, it's just right there. So if you've got a diagnostic tool management light is troubling you, you can plug it in. That's all you have to do on this particular model. That's where it is. It's a Hyundai i20. And if there is anything else you need to know, there is a playlist for Hyundai itself. Do check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you and goodbye.